Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating local copies. Open Google Photos, select the pictures or album you want, then tap More and choose Download or Save to Device. Make sure you granted storage and media permissions so files can be written to your phone. If a photo is cloud-only, choose Make Available Offline or Download Original so the image is stored locally. Once done, confirm the Files or Downloads folder contains the images, because Gallery only shows items saved on the device. Next, use the Files app to relocate those downloaded files into a Gallery scan directory. Navigate to Downloads or the Google Photos download location, select the images, and move them into DSIM/camera or Pictures and a named folder. You do this because Gallery apps automatically scan standard media folders like DSIM. Moving ensures visibility. Make a new folder if you want organization. Once moved, metadata and timestamps are preserved, so your gallery sorts correctly and albums stay coherent. Finally, open your gallery to confirm the pictures are visible. If they are not, clear the gallery cache or restart the phone to trigger a media scan. Make sure Gallery has storage and media permissions, and check that the folder doesn't contain no media file which hides media. If issues persist, toggle Google Photos device folder's visibility or re-download the specific images. One key troubleshooting tip: if duplicates or missing images occur, a quick reboot forces the Android media scanner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.